Hello friends, how are you? I hope you're fine. Okay, previously we talked about division, all right? That's exactly what we are doing right now. We said division is distributing, sharing, and also giving. And we said we divide, we do that, we keep practicing that in every single activity we do in our life. In every day-to-day life activities we do, you share with your friends. You have your siblings, you have your friends, you have your parents, you keep sharing with them, don't you? And the division sign, we said, is this. I hope you all remember that. We went ahead and even talked about dividing when there is a remainder. So if you have a number like, you have 10 and you're supposed to give it out to 6 people, we said the small number is for the people we are going to give, and then the big number is for the objects we are supposed to give, we are supposed to share or give out. We said you draw the 6 people and you give them the 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you remember we said when we are dealing with the number, we cross out the full share where everybody got equally. So after finding the full share, in this case the full share is only 1, whereby everyone got equally is 1. But there are some remainders. What are these remainders? We need to count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is 1 remainder 4. I hope you still remember this. Well, today we are still continuing with division. But now I want us to see. Now suppose they have put the whole of the division in a word problem. We remember we said a word problem is, it's a sentence. But in the sentences, they are asking us to divide. So that's what we're going to talk about today. Let's look at word problems involving division. Okay? Let's look at our number 1. Number 1 says, share 16 oranges. Remember the word share? Share 16 oranges equally among 4 girls. Even if they don't put the word equally, you just know in mathematics we share equally, no favoring. Not even this one is my friend. No, we share equally. So share 16 oranges equally among 4 girls. We want to know each gets dash. How many does each get? Okay, do you still remember how many people we should draw and the number of objects we do? Okay, I keep on emphasizing that if you have a word problem, please identify those numbers and circle them. No harm in that. Circle them, because if you do so, it's like you've highlighted, you've made things easy. It is partly easy. Once you do that, you know what you're going to do. So the numbers that are involved are 16 and 4. 16 and 4. So we are sharing 16 divided by 4. And you want to know what we get. Is this okay with you? Can you see this? And can you work out this one now? I hope you can. So how many people are we going to draw here? We said the small number is for the number of people, and the big number is for the number of objects we are supposed to give to those people. So in this case, there are 4 people. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And how many am I giving them? 16. So you're going to give them not until we reach 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are going to find out the number of shares, full shares. This is the first one, full share, another full share, a full share, and a full share. How many full shares do we have? 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are 4 full shares. So each gets, don't forget to answer. This was part of your working. Don't forget to answer. Each gets 4. As simple as that. Once you read and identify the numbers, once you identify the numbers, it becomes a walkover. Let's move to number 2. Number 2 says, distribute 7 apples equally among 3 boys. Each gets dash. We said the word distribute, the word share, the word divide, and the same. They are calling for division. All right? So when you are distributing, is to give. You see? If they give you maybe pencils and they ask you to distribute, it's like to give them out. All right? So when you're distributing, again, identify the numbers you're dealing with. In this case, it's 7 and 3. So they're asking us to divide 7 by 3. Okay? 7 by 3. So how many people am I going to draw? I'm drawing 3 people. 1, 2, 3. And how many am I going to give them out? I'm giving 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, we looked at this. It is no longer a shock to you. It is 7. So we count the number of full shares. 1, 2. The number of full shares are 2. So everybody will get 2, but there will be a remainder. So 2 remainder 1. What is our answer? Our answer is here because they gave us a dash. So everybody will get 2 remainder 1. That is our answer. I hope you're following. I hope this is not something difficult. Okay? Let's continue to number 3. Number 3 say, this is a bit actually direct. Number 3 says, divide. Divide 12 by 3. Divide 12 by 3. This is what we've been doing. The numbers I'm dealing with are 12 and 3, and I'm going to give to divide them. So I'm dividing 12 by 3. Do you know why I'm doing this? I'm doing this simply because I want to show this person who is going to see my work that I know what I'm doing. Okay? I'm telling this person I know what I'm doing. So I'm going to draw 3 people. Okay? And then give them 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then I cross out the equal shares, full shares. 1, have you seen that? 2, 3, 4. I told you the reason why I prefer using this way or this method, because it helps me to cross-check whether everybody got that share. You can imagine maybe you're on a dining table and they're serving. So the first, they send the first, maybe the plate is having, maybe it's having chicken, and you do not get a piece. Then they send in another plate. Sometimes when you eat, you pass on to another person. Is that what you do? Yes, you pass on to another person. So you can imagine if they skip you and they imagine the chicken was enough, yet she did not get. So that's why we cross out this to make sure that every time there was a turn of giving, everybody got. Okay? I don't want to concentrate on one person like this and say, so I think when I'm looking at this one, hey, everyone got this. Now suppose I got a remainder. That's why I cross out this. So our full shares are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. That is our answer. When you divide 12 by 3, you get 4. Okay? I hope you're okay. This is not, I have a feeling you're just enjoying the same way I'm enjoying. This is so simple. It's just easy peasy to write. Let's look at example number 4. Example number 4. Give $20. Give $20 to 6 girls equally. Yes, I know those girls are your friend, and I believe in those 6 girls. There is one who is your best friend, and you feel you should give her the more. No. Give $20 to 6 girls equally. How many dolls does each girl get? Or how many dolls does each get? We need to find out. I told you, see, this one being a word problem, identifying the numbers you are going to deal with is a part of showing how ready you are to prosper, how ready you are to pass everything. Okay? So when you give $20 to 6 girls, it is the same as sharing, distributing, dividing 20 by 6. So 20 by 6. I'm giving you a trick. If you want things to be simple for you and fun, don't forget to show this. It's like a mathematical statement. You're showing them, you have given me in a word problem. Let me turn the whole of this word problem into a mathematical statement. So this is a mathematical statement that summarizes all these many words. All right? So 20 divided by 6, I'm going to draw my 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. I'm giving them 20. Let's count together. Can you be a little bit faster? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh yes, I'm counting the full shares. Now let's see. If I was just taking for only one person, like this, do you see how this one would have 1, 2, 3, 4? And even the neighbor will also be having 1, 2, 3, 4. Yet the others will be having only 1, 2, 3. That's why I do not like to take for one person. I take the full share. That's the first share, the second one, and the third one. So how many full shares do I have? I have 3 full shares. And how many are remaining? I am having 2 as remainders. So I have 3 remainder 2. As simple as that. I know you know how to use English. I know you can now speak very, very good sentences. You can make word problems. I have a trust in you. You can make word problems. You can bring in any number because I know you can do any number now. All right? So some of the exercises will be on your Google classes. Please visit it and do it. I think I should stop here for today. Have a wonderful day. I love you so much. Till we meet again. Bye-bye.